Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. The most auspicious Sharada Navaratri Punyakalam is going on. On the 9th day of Navaratri, we are going to do a Chandika Homam in Anjaneya temple at Karamane, Trivandrum. The Chandika Homam is the most powerful Homam of Devi, who is in the form of Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, Mahasaraswati, who can remove our sorrows, give us wealth to fulfill all our wishes, and also will give the knowledge to become happy and contented in the life. In the Chandika Homam, the Homam will be done by chanting the 700 powerful mantras of Devi Mahatmyam. As you know, the Devi Mahatmyam has the power to remove all the negative energies associated with anyone, can solve the unsolved problems which one is facing for so many years. When the Chandika Homam is done with the mantras from Devi Mahatmyam, its power will be 100 times more than when it is read. In the Bhalasruti of Devi Mahatmyam, which Devi herself says that chanting of Devi Mahatmyam one time is equal to doing the puja of Devi for one complete year by giving the Annadanam, by doing all kind of Aradhanam of Devi. So when the Homam is done by chanting the Devi Mahatmyam, its effect will be unimaginable and infinite. If you see the Bhalasruti of Devi Mahatmyam, we can understand how powerful it is. It says that Desibharva Vradash Shunye Grihito Vavishatrubhihi Simha Vyagranu Yato Va Vaneva Vanakastibihi Ratna Krudhena Chatnapto Vadhyo Bandakato Piva Akhurnito Va Vatena Stitapote Maharnave Patassu Chapi Shastreshu Sangrami Brjadarune Sarva Badhasu Gorasu Vedanabhyardito Piva Smaran Maitacharitam Naro Mucheda Sangada. If one is in the midst of a fire in the forest, or one is in the attack of the wild animals like lion, or if one is punished by the government, even if one is at the verge of a death sentence or suffering from the extreme pain, even the chanting of Devi Mahatmyam one time will definitely remove all their problems. This is said by Devi herself. So, especially during the COVID times, it is very important to do the Parayanam and Homam of Devi Mahatmyam. It says, Upasarga Nasheshamstu Mahamari Samudbhavan Tatha Trivadam Utpadam Mahatmyam Shamayen Mama. Devi herself says, if the Devi Mahatmyam is chanted during the time of Mahamari like COVID or the Utpadam, that is the different kind of difficulties caused from the nature as well as due to adharma. Devi herself says, if the Devi Mahatmyam is chanted, she will remove all these difficulties. So, when the Chandika Homam is done by the powerful mantras of Devi Mahatmyam, definitely it will solve all the problems one is facing in the life. So, to participate in this Devi Mahatmyam, you can register or you can send your contribution through www.vedicliving.in by giving your name, nakshatra and other details. Om Namas Chandigaye.